guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. This is Coda, professional scooter rider, and this is the Ryan Hyper Scooter. I was driving my car the other day on these roads and he challenged me to a race and I kind of laughed. Well, it turns out it's nothing to laugh about. These things go 80 miles an hour. They've got motors in both wheels and it might be faster than my Ferrari. So we're gonna try that out. This is ridiculous. We got a world champion scooter rider on the hypercar of scooters. This thing goes 80 miles an hour. It accelerates faster than a BMW i8. And we'll see if it accelerates faster than a Speciale. But these guys are absolute animals. The fact that you can actually buy this scooter and drive it on the road is ridiculous. So to put things into perspective, that scooter weighs 60 pounds and has somewhere between 20 and 25 horsepower. So let's take 20, which it's more than that. That means it has the power to weight ratio of more than a Bugatti Veyron, 666 horsepower per ton on a scooter. I'm gonna try to ride it. If it's faster than my Ferrari, I'm gonna cry. All right, so obviously these scooters are something a little different. What is the deal with the Ryan Hyper Scooter?
I mean, imagine like a mad scientist makes a scooter, and that's my friend Gal. He just made this crazy contraption that's called the Ryan, and it's just the most insane thing that you can literally put on 2 wheels or 4 wheels or anything. It's so fast, like unbelievable.
Like, I'm not even into scooters remotely.
Yeah.
But the second I saw this and how fast it was, and you're doing rolling burnouts at 40 miles an hour, and you said that potentially you could change the bias to make it more rear wheel drive because there's a motor in each wheel. I mean, this is literally like supercar, hypercar electric technology.
Yeah, for technology.
Into a scooter.
Yeah, it's very advanced for technology. And it's full carbon. Like, you look at it going from like a Wyra or something that's crazy carbon weave, like this is the same quality, and it's so impressive.
Have you done a 0 to 60 test yet?
I don't have a radar gun. I was trying to get one today, but I couldn't find one. If we had one, I would do it. I think it's about 4 seconds.
All right, I think we need to put it up against the Ferrari and see what happens.
Let's go.
Let's do it, dude. All right, guys, here we go. The $700,000, 597 horsepower Ferrari versus the $6,500 all-electric Ryan. Who's gonna win? Time to find out. All right, 3, 2, 1. Dude, his 0 to 45 miles an hour was actually faster than my car. That is ridiculous. A freaking, not just a normal Ferrari, like the
wheel spin at like 40 both times.
Dude, you're faster than me to 45 miles an hour. That's ridiculous.
After that, it goes, the front wheel has too much spin, so I can't keep accelerating.
Can we try like a roll race?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Let's try that. 3, 2, 1. All right, well, I do have 600 horsepower. Dude, that thing almost keeps up. That's ridiculous.
Still have wheel spin. It's terrible.
Are you serious?
Next time we should switch at 40, 60, and that would be good.
This thing is so fast that it's almost as fast as this Ferrari while it's spinning all the tires. So
I have front wheel spin, just it won't hook up.
I've like a scooter that won't hook. What? Like, what is this? I want one. I want one. I'm gonna attempt to ride this thing, but judging by the throttle, this thing is ridiculous. I'm not a professional scooter rider. Don't try this at home. Oh, oh my God. All right, I got to 1/20th throttle. Nope, yep, that's horrifying. This thing is actually terrifying. Holy crap. Yeah, I think I need one, like immediately. The thing that they were talking about that's cool is, I've got friends that ride around on boosted boards, not just for fun anymore, like partially for fun of course, but to commute to work. This goes 80 miles an hour. You could literally take this to work every day and have a blast and do burnouts.
Imagine Sunset Boulevard rip to Beverly Hills, just like,
I'd like to imagine that. That sounds epic. We're back at my place. We've got the owner of Ryan, that incredible electric scooter company, and I want to know, so I wanted to make this gas powered. I saw online somebody did a 450 motocross bike, engine swap and transmission, but could you fit the brushless motors on each of the wheels?
We can do 4 motors and then like a 150 volt battery.
150 volt battery?
Yeah, it will go like 100 and something miles per hour.
Would you do it? Are you down?
I'll drive.
The stunt dummy.
I'd love to drive.
All right, the 100 horsepower LaFerrari mini car.
You just need to make a nice frame, widen it a little bit.
Yeah.
3D printed and carbon, obviously.
Yeah, these guys have 3D print carbon. Didn't realize that was a thing. That's next level. See, but I already have carbon. It's not even close. And then Kota's got this beautiful Datsun. Was fully restored, all original?
Yeah, fully restored. Took 2 years on a rotisserie. Full, complete OEM everything.
And you said it weighs 2,100 pounds?
I think it's 2,100 pounds.
Like I mentioned a lot that my McLaren at 2,850 pounds is light. 2,100.
Yeah, no, it's definitely pretty light.
That's wild.
Not that fast, but for like a fun old 70s car, it's a good time.
Well, dude, thank you so much. You're obviously a beast on the scooter, and thank you for showing me.
Oh, thank you.
Like, I'll be honest, I'm not into scooters at all. Like, I'm into cars, but I was into that scooter. Like, just seeing this guy rip by me in the canyons, where that's like, I've seen motorcycles, I've seen bicyclists or whatever. You didn't you pass some guy going really fast on a bicycle and you just rip by him on the scooter? The guy probably didn't know what to do with his life after that.
Questioning life for a week. He's like, what is this?
But this thing is actually so sick. And the crazy part is I thought it was just because they told me the numbers and how fast it was, that it's just some wild project that they made and they're not for sale, but they've been for sale for a while now. So I've got a link in the description below if you guys are interested. I know I want one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you next time.